Hi designers, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to design a clean, modern poster in Adobe Illustrator using simple techniques and a professional layout. By the end of this video, you'll have a poster that's portfolio ready and easy to customize. So let's jump right in. First, we'll create a new document using a 1080 by 1350 pixel artboard. Go to the Type tool and type your word. Use a bold font. In my case, I'm using Aller Display. Then adjust its size a bit bigger, place it in the right corner as it's shown. Next, go to the Scale tool and the Shear tool and tilt the text slightly to the right. Just follow my steps. First, duplicate the text and convert it to outlines. Move the copy behind the original and change its color as shown. I'll leave the color code in the description. After that, select both and use the Blend tool, setting the blend steps to 50. Now go to the Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard and place it in the background with a suitable color. Just follow along with me here. Now go back to the Type tool and type your word again. We'll use the same technique here, so just follow me. Next, duplicate the background and place it in front. Then select everything on the artboard, right-click, and create a clipping mask. Now it's time to make the design more professional and stylish. We'll add the text, the logo, and some icons. Just follow my steps. Before that, go to the View menu and enable Show Grid to make the layout more accurate. It's very important to respect the visual hierarchy. When you finish, turn off the grid, and here is your design poster. You can change the color by using the Recolor Artwork tool. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.